So the idea is I'm gonna put it on about 11 o'clock at night, and I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna have it set, the drum set for 210 degrees, and I'm gonna wake up about 5 o'clock. I'm gonna wrap it in butcher paper, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. This baby is juicy. We're gonna have some fun today. I got this nice prime brisket, and one of the things I wanna talk about is timing to cook a brisket. And a lot of times, it's the battle between sleep and brisket. So we're gonna cook this, I think if I wanna serve it the next night, I start, it's about 10 o'clock at night here in California, and I'm trimming it. I've got my BPS drum set for 210 degrees. So let's trim this thing up. First of all, we always get rid of this decal because it doesn't do much. Doesn't render. Just do a pretty easy cut here. You save these scraps. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Okay, so like I said, how do you decide when to cook the brisket? You're gonna know it's gonna need about 15 hours to cook if you go the low and slow way, which a competition we cook at 275. At home, I don't like them. I like how it's rendered the old low and slow. So the idea is I'm gonna put it on about 11 o'clock at night, and I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna have it set, the drum set for 210 degrees. And I'm gonna wake up about 5 o'clock. I'm gonna wrap it in butcher paper, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put the oven at 250. The reason why is once your meat is 145 internal, it's not gonna take much more smoke, and this will probably be somewhere around, I'm gonna see it's gonna be around 175. So here, let's go in here. You notice I used some scraps to pop it up. We're gonna cook this one fat side up. That's what all these trendy Texans do now. To be honest with you, I do it both ways. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Today I'm feeling about fat side up. About 6 hours later, I'm gonna put it in butcher paper, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 250. Let's flip it over. Okay, this is gonna get a lot of fat taken off, because I really only want about 1/4 of an inch. Okay, let's see how it lays. I'll take just a little bit out here. You can tell this is a late night trim. Remember, this isn't competition, this isn't show. It's a late night trim. Save some chunks, because what you do when you put it on the cooker is you prop it up if there's a low spot. So we'll have a couple chunks we'll use, and then we'll start seasoning. Okay, just a little rough trim brisket here. And we're gonna cook it, because we're gonna show you a timeline so you can cook it at night, the next night. So the only way to really do that, I guess I could wake up at 3 in the morning and go through the process. That's not fun. So we got the BPS drum set to 210 degrees. We're seasoning this brisket with Big Papa Smokers, competition steak, and brisket rub, which is a big winner on the competition circuit, but it's also great at home. Now, the funny thing is, you talk about a competition rub. This rub is 72% salt, 16 mesh pepper, and garlic. The rest are little secret ingredients that I have in there for fun. So let's pat this thing down. And it's gonna sit for about 20 minutes before I put it on the cooker to shine. This is the bottom side. Here we go with my buddy Dave Holcomb's stone pepper grinder. I'm just gonna add a little more pepper. Let it sit for a second. Okay, now since this is fat side up, I don't normally use glue, but I got a little avocado oil just to hold it. Flip it over. Okay, here comes the comp steak and brisket. Got a nice coating on it. And you see all the pepper, and I can smell the garlic. Look at, we're gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll see you out by the cooker. Okay, the drum's about 220, but it's okay because it's gonna cool down when I put some food in it. Now I've got a deflector plate in there, and then a water pan. Be real careful with the water pan. This water will be gone in the morning. Grill grate and brisket right in the middle. Like I said, we'll be seeing you kids at 5 in the morning. Good eye of the temperature here. Oh, I like to be around 165. Not the prettiest trim, but I'm fine with it. Okay, you guys are wondering, why am I going to the oven? Well, after you get over 145, your meat no longer really accepts the smoke. So you're just roasting at that point, especially when you're in paper. So I save the fuel. The oven's great. I've got the ability to go down low. If you don't have an oven, obviously keep cooking on here until you're done. When you are done, I still like to hold it at a controlled temperature. If you don't do that, that's fine. Just wrap it in a bunch of towels and put it in a cooler and give it your 4-hour rest. But I like to put it in a 150, 160 degree oven. I also buy sometimes those turkey roasters that, you know, your grandma had for the extra turkey, because that has a thermostat where I can hold it at that temperature. So that's what I want to do. So let's go in and wrap it and put it to bed. Okay, let's get you to wrap it in the butcher paper. Now, you see a lot of people use tallow. Some people spray oil onto the paper. I just spray it with water because it just makes it easier to fold. Tight, baby, tight. Here we go. Night, night. Okay, it's 7:30. Means it's been in here for about 2.5 hours. Now look, people put 1 billion probes in their stuff. I don't. I just want to get towards the end here. So I'm putting this brisket here. I'm setting it for 202. Okay, we're 178. Ha, that's the alarm. Turn it to warm. 150. And we'll relax. I'm gonna let some of the heat out. Just looks beautiful. All right, we talked about this last night. Here's the brisket. I don't believe in squeezing the brisket. This baby is juicy. Just falling off beautifully. Oh boy, I love this. I don't think you guys can tell how juicy it is. It's unbelievable. There you go, kids. That's how you cook a brisket to serve it at 6, 7 o'clock at night the next day. You start the day before. Let's just hit it with some of the competition steak and brisket, and I'll see you guys. So once again, just to bring it back, 210 on the drum for about 6.5, 7 hours. Wrapped in butcher paper, then in the oven at 250. When it hit 202, we drop the oven down to 150 and just let it sit there all day. Thank you guys, thank you, goodbye.